Welcome back to the Sundance Media Group podcast channel. If you haven't been with us before, welcome. And if you have, I hope you keep on sharing out our podcasts. Today I'm here with Joanne Lemming, our business development. And what do we have here? It looks like we have an unopened box.
We do, and that's so exciting. We've disposed of the box that came in, so Boxing Day or Unboxing Day, and we're going to unbox today.
Let's unbox. What do
Awesome.
we have? I will attempt to not cut off my fingers, and
All right,
maybe you can
I'll
talk
let
to us
you
a
have
little
it.
bit about what we have here.
This is the Autel Battery Charging Hub, and is capable of charging 4 batteries sequentially, which is exciting.
We have a quick guide, so that'll get
Right.
us started fast. Let's see. So, charging 4 batteries at a time?
4.
Wow. So, how exactly does it work?
Well, here's our little box, and we will be able to, as you see looking down from the top, we have 4 connecting points, and we'll be able to add 4 batteries, actually charging sequentially. And shall we get started?
Yeah, I always have uncharged batteries, so
Yeah,
let's
don't
see.
we all?
There's one.
Okay.
And I believe we actually need the charger that came with your Autel, so
Yes.
find your original charging adapter. And this will actually go into the bottom of the hub to power the hub. Just plug it in just like you would as if it was your battery charger. You can see that the Autel light on the top of the hub is now lit. And Joanne, if you want to go ahead and I'll get this box out of the way.
So we're going to hang the first battery carefully.
There you go.
And Jennifer will hang number 2.
Sure thing. You can see now that it started charging, the Autel logo has turned green, and you've got the trickle charge showing on the actual battery itself, so you can see how much charge is on this battery. Then once you add in the other batteries, you'll notice that they do not light up just yet. The second, third, and fourth batteries will not begin charging until the very first battery is 80% charged. So that's kind of how the quad charger works. What we really find convenient about this new hub is that we are able to charge batteries overnight and not have to wake up every 2 hours to go, oh yeah, I need to switch out batteries, so that I have 8 batteries at night. It has come in to our workflow quite well, and saves us a little bit of time and sleep.
Exactly. Nothing like having your iPhone go off every 2 hours during the night. The other nice thing about this is this first battery is going to be at 80% when it starts charging the second battery. So it will continue trickle charging each battery when it gets to 80%, moving to the next, continuing your trickle charge here. So it really is a cool device.
And I kind of like it. It's compact.
It
It
is.
doesn't take up much
No.
space, and
Easily set on a table, on a desk, but as you can see, the Autel logo continues to flash as it's charging. Once that flash, or the change of glow, once that stops, your batteries are charged and ready to go, and you're going to be a happy pilot.
thanks for joining us on this podcast with the new Autel Charging Hub for the EVO. We appreciate you spending some time with us, and
We hope to see you again soon, because we'll be back.